Discussions in English for beginners. Okay, this time we will discuss about modals part 2. Okay, let's start. Okay, degrees of certainty present time in the model. Okay, in bahasa we can call kepastian, ya. Kepastian jadi urutan kepastian, atau bahasa lainnya adalah tingkatan kepastian. Okay. If we sure only 50% sure about something, so we have to say, example here is he might be sick. He might be sick, he could be sick. Less than 50% sure. Jadi kurang dari 50%, kita harusnya mengatakan, okay, if I say, kalau saya mengatakan atau bertanya, if I ask you about where is Johnny? Okay, he may be sick. So you only 50% sure that he is sick. Jadi kalian hanya mempunyai 50% saja bahwasanya dia sakit. However, tapi kalau kalian 95% sure, you have to say he must be sick. Pakai must. Dan satu lagi 100%, maka kalian pakai be. He is sick. Okay? Got it? Good. Next. Okay. Degrees of certainty present time negative. You only put not in the models, yeah. If you feel 100 sure, you have to say Sam may not be hungry, Sam might not be hungry. 95% sure, Sam must not. 99, Sam couldn't or Sam can't be hungry. 100% sure, Sam isn't hungry. Hanya ditambahkan not saja, tapi di sini ada penambahan yaitu 99%. Okay, continue. Okay, sorry, this is past time, yeah. In the past time, degrees of certainty past time here, less than 50%, 95%, 100%. Okay, look at here. She may have been sick. She might have been sick. What the difference here? Okay, in past time, we have to put have been. Okay, between. Okay, not between, after modals. Yeah, she could have been. Okay, 95%. She must have been. So you have to put have been. Remember it. In the past time, for degrees of certainty, we have to put have been for less 50% and 95%. But in 100%, you only put past time. She was. Okay, she was sick. Okay, past time negative. Look at here, less than 50%, 95%, 99%, 100%. Okay, Sam may not. Jadi sama dengan yang present time. Jadi setelah modal sekalian harus membubuhkan atau menempatkan not, ya. Sam may not, Sam might not. 95%, Sam must not have been. Have been-nya tetap kita pakai. 99% Sam couldn't have been. Okay, 100% Sam wasn't or Sam was not. Oke, tingkatan ya. Ini tingkatan keyakinan kalian. Oke, continue. Scientific future time, less than 50% sure. For example, okay, if I ask you, where is the kids? Hello guys, where is the kids? And then you only have 50% sure that the kids, he might do well on the games, or he might do well. Where is Sam? Where is Sam? Okay, he might do well. If I ask you, where is the kids? So they may do. Okay, get it? And then 90% sure. Where is John? John should do well on the games, or John ought to do well on the games. 100% sure. John will do well on the games. Oke, tolong diingat ya, tolong difahami. Continue. Form of modals. Progressive form present time, modals plus be plus in. Ini adalah formulanya. Okay, the formula about progressive form present time. John is not in his class. He may be playing in the backyard. Modal have been plus in. Okay, in the past. In the past, this is present time and past time. I called my mother last night. Example for progressive form of modals in the past time. Okay, I called my mother last night, but she didn't pick it. She might have been sleeping. This is progressive modals of past time. Oke, ingat ya, formula progressive form modals present time, modal plus be plus in. Oke, in the past time, modal plus have been plus in. Oke, itu rumusnya. Continue. Picture. What do you think about it? Okay, this is about Doraemon and Nobita, the famous cartoon. Okay. Yes, about ability. Okay. In the modals, we can talk about ability with the modals. Example here. Good for ability. Example, Doraemon is cat. He can't do anything for Nobita. Doraemon can fly. Doraemon can go easily, by the miracle doll. Doraemon could lift the box, but Nobita couldn't because he is lazy. Okay. And for negative, Doraemon can't use his tool. Doraemon can't fly and back. Doraemon couldn't practice his tool, due to unfunction. So this is about ability. We can use in the modals can and good for ability, untuk kemampuan. Next. In the modals, we know about would and used to. But here we will discuss about would and used to in the past. Okay, when I was a kid, for the example, when I was a kid, my father would read me a story before I sleep. Okay, we can use would, for it was happened in our past. Okay, I used to go to swim in the river every afternoon. Saya biasanya dulu itu sering banget berenang di kali ya setiap sore. Kemudian I used to win in my class at elementary school. Saya dulu tuh sering banget jadi juara loh di kelas ketika SMP gitu kan. Sorry, ketika SD. Oke. Continue. I would rather study than going out. Ya. Jadi would rather pun sama. Jadi artinya kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia itu saya lebih baik ya. I would rather study. Ketika ada orang bertanya kepada kalian kemudian okay, let's go to the mall. Oh, I'm sorry, I would rather study than going out. Ini banget ya. Terlalu kaku banget. Oke, tapi tidak apa-apa untuk contoh saja. I would rather study than going out. For negative form, when you ask someone, particularly girl, how much do you weigh? I'd rather not tell you. This is for negative form. Jadi tetap I would rather, kemudian kita taruh atau kita tempatkan notnya setelah would rather. I would rather not tell you. Berapa sih berat badan kamu? Oh, saya lebih baik tidak mengatakan itu. Kemudian progressive form would rather plus be plus ing. I would rather be watching horror movies than going to the mall. Ini untuk progressive mall, ya. Okay, let's go to the movie next week. Oh, sorry, I would rather be watching horror movies than going to the mall. Okay. Continue. Is followed by the present, be able to and have to. Mary will be able to study with you at tomorrow night. You will have to help her after all you done. Negative, I'm not going to be able to go to the party tonight. This is combining modals, ya. Di sini will ditambah be able, will ditambah have to, yang bisa combining modal. Oke, ingat ini. Oke, will plus be able, will plus have to. Ketika kita mau combining modals, kan ada dua modals, yaitu will sama be able sebetulnya. Tapi ini boleh, ya. Harus is followed by the present. Okay. Mary will be able to study with you at tomorrow night. This allowed. Okay, continue. Okay, see you in other discussion in the English for beginners. Thanks. Okay, see you.